Happiness everyone, we are going to do the activity here in Boracay ng helmet diving. Okay, we're going to the boat now for our helmet diving. Okay, magla-life jacket muna daw. Wow! Yeah, you can ask. Later maybe. Change ka ni Daddy. Ooh! Saan na nun? EJ, our glasses please. Thank you. Dito na tayo sa boat where we will do our helmet diving. Yes, mag-helmet diving ang tatay. Oh, ayan, oh.
Diving pala, oh. Diving pala ito eh. Down, and then problem.
Okay.
Example, your problem in your ears. So next is a diver, and then point. The diving will help you.
Okay.
And this is cam. Stop. Closer for the picture or some photo. Picture, and then video.
And what is that?
Picture.
Picture. Wait. Okay.
Kaya ito pa pa dito.
Tip yan, tip.
Most important na try signs also, okay?
Okay.
Going up,
Up.
and then problem.
Problem.
Yung iba divers magagawa na. And don't bend your helmet always straight. We have handle in the front. Because you bend your helmet, the water will go in.
Oh.
Yeah. If you bend your helmet and the water will go in, don't panic. Just go back to shirt and the water will
Go back to?
straight.
Straight. Okay. Kasi may handle yung may handle yung helmet. Okay.
So yun na po ma'am sir.
Okay.
Ano pangalan mo? Edwin.
Kala ko Elton John. Thank you, Elton. Eljon. Dapat din ako sa kabila.
Lalaw, di ba? Diba? Ito?
Next.
EJ. Ikaw na.
Ayam na? Ito na lang kayo malagla kayo nila.
Next.
Teka lang po.
Yeah. Slowly. Go down for more. More pa, anak, ha? More pa, anak. More pa. More pa. Careful, ha? It's heavy. Expect it's heavy, anak, ha? Slowly. O, tatay ikaw. May diver na sa ilalim, ano?
Last.
Ako po. May diver